could be the next canary in the credit coal mine.
Rich, the credit crunch is making it more difficult for would-be car buyers to get financing or finagle deals. Factors that are weighing heavily on the auto industry, leaving customers frustrated and dealerships struggling to stay alive. It's been a tough couple of months for auto dealerships across the nation. Lots packed with cars, all going nowhere. Sales teams struggling, making call after call, trying to get a customer, any customer, to come in.
We've done sales, probably like 40% less compared to the last couple of months.
Honda finance manager Gustavo Rengifo says sales have plummeted at his dealership in Westchester County, a drop that he blames on the rise in gas prices and the credit freeze, saying banks are just simply too afraid to lend money to anyone without stellar credit.
The customer can't really just get approved because of a lot of people have problems because they late on their mortgages, and if someone is past due on a mortgage, there's no bank in the world that actually would approve these people.
Rengifo says it's nearly impossible to approve a loan for a customer who has anything under a 700 credit score rating, and if they're lucky enough to get approved, they get smacked with high interest rates.
It is a struggle for them, and it's for us too, because we can't approve those loans anymore.
That's why he says Honda is trying to come up with creative ways to stay afloat, like cashback and gas card incentives. Kickbacks that were not enough to save some other dealerships across the country, like this one in Ohio. Workers now removing the lettering from Andretti Chrysler, the latest casualty of the economic downturn.
It's hard. It's really hard. Nobody likes to know that they were in charge of the business that is going away. And you take it personal.
General Manager Mike Clapham says he lost customers when Chrysler stopped its leasing program. There's also fewer cars and too many dealers.
They were all competing for a smaller segment of a smaller market. And inevitably somebody needs to go so everybody else can survive, and it happened to be us.
But Andretti Chrysler isn't alone. According to a Reuters report out this week, industry-wide sales have dropped 26%. Nissan, Chrysler, Ford, Toyota, and Honda, all down 20 to 30%. Even GM, who has been offering employee discounts to all its customers, down 16%. In fact, Reuters says 1 in 5 dealerships is expected to fail into 2009, putting the health of the country's manufacturing companies in question as well. But the sinking auto industry remains hopeful. Hopeful that what some are calling the other bailout, a $25 billion check approved by Congress for the auto industry last week, and one that is separate from the $800 billion bailout approved by Congress today, will get sales rolling again. A hefty sum that finance managers like Rengifo, whose shop is nearly running on empty, will hopefully benefit from.
The money will start fluctuating again, and the economy will go back in place. So we're helping.
Now, several dealerships I spoke to today said the slump has yet to affect their personnel.